I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey loves, I am back with my second Pride look. I'm going to start off by using my Zulu palette, and I'll be using the yellow. All the products will be shown in the video and they will be listed down below. So you guys are going to see my hair grow and shrink throughout the video. This is first day hair and it's also in the middle of drying. So if you're a natural, you understand what that means. I absolutely hate first day hair, but throughout the next few days, my hair will be in its form that I love. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy Pride Month. I'm using makeup remover to clean off the space where I'm going to cut my crease and use my white base. This allows my white base to stay white and my colors to remain vibrant. Always remember to take whatever brush you previously used and go back and blend out your colors. You don't want any harsh lines. You do not want to see where your colors start or end.
Baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
So here's the part of the video where I show you how easy it is to mess up your work, but also how easy it is to fix it without having to wipe it off, because I refuse to wipe it off. So when I originally started this look, that liner was not supposed to be like that. It came out too thick, the shape was off, and I just did not like the white at all. So what I did was use a gold glitter liner on top. It actually made the liner brighter, but it also the white line ended up messing up my cut crease. So I went back in with my cut crease base and I redid the shape of my cut crease, and I also went back and blended the colors in. It came out cute and actually came out better than I expected it. My foundation, highlight, and contour routine will be coming soon. I will be doing that video as a live when YouTube makes my account eligible. So that way you guys can interact with me and ask me questions and I can answer them in real time.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
I didn't allow my base to dry long enough, so my red came out pink. Red and white mixed together, mixed pink. So I wasn't expecting that. I don't know why. I usually let my base dry. I don't know why I didn't do this, but after I was finished recording and once everything was dry, I went back with the red and I went back over it. It made it a little darker, but it still showed up pink in my low light videos. I'm using my liner to make my cracks. It does not have to be perfect. In fact, you do not want it to be perfect. Just have fun with it. Make your little jagged lines. And yeah, just you know how cracks look. How glass looks when it's cracked. How a doll looks when it's cracked. That's the look I'm going for. I think I did well. Some of my lines were a little too thick, so I cleaned it up with some foundation. And I also added that gold glitter liner that I have on my crease to some of the cracks, just to give it a little shimmer, shine, just to be a little extra. It's Pride Month. I apologize for all the movement my camera is doing. I didn't realize it would be following me around every time I moved when I put it on autofocus, but I won't be doing that again. I didn't show at the end where I added clear gloss, but I ended up liking the gloss better. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. I love you guys. Thanks for supporting me and thanks for watching my videos. Follow me on my social media and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.